Change your voice in Waze. Hi everyone, okay? Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. And in this updated video, I'm showing you all the step-by-step instructions for you to change your voice here in the Waze app. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you. So guys, let's go so that you can change the voice of Waze navigation. As soon as you log into the app, you're going to click up top there on those three lines. And you're going to click on the settings option. Click here on settings. Settings, you're going to click on the third option, voice and sound. So in my case, the Waze voice is here in Brazilian Portuguese DJ70s. If you click here up above on the current voice, you'll be able to modify it. So here there's English, there are other languages. I'm going to choose Portuguese in my case. So I'm already here in Portuguese, guys. And I always like the voice that speaks the name of the streets. So navigation is very complete, speaking the name of the streets. I'm going to enter, in this case, Amália, Portuguese PT, including the name of the streets. Just go back now, and the name will be up to date. Did you get it, guys? Post below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm leaving you here. Big hugs. God bless. Thanks.